Hey everybody, I'm Luca. In the previous video, we learned how easy it is to use the ScanCobot for shop floor series measurements. The next thing I would like to show you is the strength of the virtual measurement room in ZEISS INSPECT. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. For series measurements on the shop floor, downtime of measurement systems is often crucial. Therefore, setup cycles of new parts on machines have to be reduced as much as possible. The big advantage of ScanCobot with its virtual measurement room is that we don't have to be at the system to set up a new project for a new part. You can conveniently do this in the office while the system is full up and running on the shop floor. We can open ZEISS INSPECT with the digital twin of the ScanCobot and import our CAD data of the part via drag and drop. Next, we create a new measurement setup and position the part on the rotation table as we intend to measure it on the shop floor. Now we can use the powerful function Smart Teach in the virtual measurement room. Here we can calculate measurement positions based on our features and the CAD model. As you can see, we already have a full measurement program. What we do now is simulate the data that would probably be achieved if we ran it on our system. When we look at the results, we observe that nearly all of the part is measured. If you like, you can even add manual measurements. For this, we just use the handles that are visible when clicking on the sensor. With this, we can position the sensor and add another measurement to our program. You can use Shift and the left mouse button to automatically position the sensor in front of the part surface. That's how easy it is. Now, we only have to run the project once on the system and create a template out of it to execute it in the operator kiosk mode. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any questions about getting started on your ScanCobot, please reach out to us via support@HandsOnMetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.